Hello, my Rover friends. Today we are going to take a look at Land Rover's new Super Deluxe 130 8-seater, probably 7-seater work too, little parcel tray that raises the rear floor. Let's get you out of the way so that you don't have this lump anymore. I'm going to show you how to install it. We're going to take some good looks at it, and this may just be the product you've been looking for if you have a 130. Cue the intro. All right, guys, the install is super easy. You'll have this in before any one of your 7 passengers can go in the house, get you a frosty beverage, and come back. Let's get the bag open. We're gonna pull out our little cargo tray. You'll notice it kind of only fits in one way, like so. Careful, ladder, like so. And if you don't believe me, on the install instructions, scan that QR code. It'll walk you through it. Also, wait a minute, something's not right. We're gonna pull off this little cover here, set that aside, and then we're gonna set in our little cargo tray step. Need you guys to notice these little feet right here. They have to tuck in under this. That helps it stay low and helps it stay in place. So when we slide it in, we're gonna go like thunk. Just like that. I like to give them a little kind of pull on the corner here, and you'll see this fabric kind of move. You know it's tucked in there right. Lastly, Velcro straps. Put them around the tie down point, and that holds it in place so it doesn't do this. I'm gonna bring the camera in, show you guys on that side. We'll put this on, have a final look at it. Here is the Velcro strap, and then you can see the little the tie down ring right there. Just loop it around. Little tug, and away it goes. Not going anywhere. Now that we have the little storage step in place, simply put in your cover, tuck it in under this little metal piece on each end, and job done. Floor is level, making it much easier to move things, store things, and enjoy your 130. All right, guys, be sure to follow for more Rover content.